car's dead.
So we're on our way to Buttonwillow. We just worked through the night. We're on hour 26 or 28. We got all our new aero on. We got the car dynoed. Everything's new. Everything's awesome, but yet untested. So we're going into Super Lap Battle. We're showing up hours late with an untested setup, but we're gonna give it our all. That's all we can do. So we're in a position now where our oil pressure isn't quite as high as we'd like it to be. And well, we're gonna try a couple of things. So we're gonna go out in the first session. Just gonna go for it. Get some tire heat. We're gonna get some heat in the tires. So we're gonna go out in the first session. We're gonna get some heat in the tires. We're gonna see what the oil pressure really does in the first session. From there, we're gonna go into the second session, depending on what our friend Daniel does. Looks like he's got a blown head gasket, so we might be able to steal his oil pump, just as a check. So we're gonna probably go through, get the different oil pump, put that on after the first session, and see where that leaves us. Maybe we find the problem that has plagued us since last year. Maybe we find nothing and we just send it all day. So either which way, we're gonna do something. We're gonna go put down a lap, see where we end up. Car died. Car's dead. Global Time Attack 2018 wasn't our best day. Essentially, we were able to come to Global Time Attack, put down a few laps, but none of the laps were able to be recorded, and we ended up with a blown motor in the car, keeping us from being able to post a time. So basically, our motor, we don't know exactly what's wrong with it just yet, but we're thinking it either cracked a sleeve or put a hole through a piston. Looks like we're running about 3 cylinders right now. We were able to go out, do a really good majority of a lap. You know, in Time Attack, you're looking for that one perfect lap, and we only got a 3/4 lap. So we're gonna go back, we're gonna look at our data, we're gonna take what we can learn from that data, and we're gonna come back bigger, stronger, faster for next year. Buttonwillow, it's a tricky track. She likes to come at you in all different ways, and you never know what you're gonna get. And a lot of people walk out of here in not good shape, and that's us today. So I'm pretty excited looking into the future. The car has a lot of potential, and it definitely has the ability to put the fastest lap time ever down at Buttonwillow.